Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是Lim Zepsu. It's Joseph Lin, along with Alice, to teach you practical Hakka, Hakka vocabulary that you can use every day. And this month we have a theme. It's all related to transportation, 跟交通都有关系 but more specifically about getting off at a certain destination. 所以这个月的主题呢，就是我要下车。
我爱下茶。
我爱下茶。All right, so let's use the MRT this time. When you're in Taipei or in Kaohsiung, you're bound to take the MRT. Very convenient, of course. So let's teach you terms associated with the MRT. Okay, when you go to the MRT, maybe you use your Easy card. 可能会用你的悠游卡。
悠游卡。
悠游卡，对，这有教过哈。悠游卡 that's the Easy card. And maybe you want to charge it up a little bit, fill up more money, right? 我们要加值，怎么说？
加甜。
加甜，哦，又加又甜的感觉。
那还有一种讲法叫加吃。
加吃。
就是加值啊。
哦，值的意思了。哦，一个是加添呢，一个是加值这样子。Okay, so there's two ways of saying charging up your card or fill up your card. Okay, 一个是加甜，一个是加吃。All right. Then when you're at an MRT, when you get off, there's so many exits. 出口。
出口。
出口。Okay, that's an exit. And then, especially here in Taipei, we have so many different lines now. 其实现在捷运好多线，
转运站
就一定要转运嘛，才可以到达你要到的地方。转乘 to transfer. How do you say that?
盘查。
盘查 means to go to a different line. Okay, that means transferring. 盘查。
那海陆腔的转乘是攀查。
攀查 Okay, that's a different dialect of saying transfer. Now let's make a sentence out of one of these. 我们就问那个，请问2号出口在哪儿好了？
Okay.
怎么说？ How do you say, where's exit number 2? Because sometimes when you get off, it's so confusing. It's easier to ask someone.
请问2号出口在哪？
请问2号出口在哪？ Okay, 请问 that means, may I ask you? 请问。然后2号 that's number 2. Exit.
出口。
出口。在哪? Okay, that means where is it? All right, so that's how you say it. Where is exit number 2? Let's review all these terms. To charge up your card, 加值。
加甜或者是加吃。
That's right, two ways. 加甜 or 加吃. And then the exit, 出口。
出口。
出口. And then to transfer, 转乘。
盘查。
盘查. Now you know how to ask your way around in the MRT with Hakka, and that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.